The EGM Fusion Center obtains, validates, analyzes, and ultimately transforms ground equipment data to tacit knowledge for use by leadership at all levels in making wise and informed capabilities planning and resourcing decisions. Historically, we haven't had a standard approach or organized capability for data collection analysis at the enterprise level to support effective decision making. The problem has been that not only is it time-consuming and labor-intensive to manually pull, cleanse, and interpret data sets, but that accuracy and completeness of the data is almost always suspect and leads to low confidence for its use in making decisions. In the Wargame, we'll demonstrate the EGM Fusion Center's role and capabilities as an enterprise resource for generating accurate, complete, and consistent information for decision making.
In order to properly evaluate the range of capabilities provided by candidate platforms, technologies, and tools at this year's Wargame, the EGM Fusion Center team developed 6 use cases, not only to keep the focus on concrete solutions, but also demonstrate the art of the possible. The use cases contain a problem statement, hypothesis, if-then statements linked to the EGM functions, and a definition of success. Use case number 1 will focus on the issue of ad hoc queries. EGM RFIs by senior leadership normally require MCATS taskers to manually collect data from several disparate data sources. Thus, results are normally limited in accuracy, timeliness, and repeatability. Various COTS data querying tools, Tableau for example, will demonstrate methodologies for developing ad hoc queries to support confident planning, programming, budgeting, and execution, and capability portfolio management, investments, and decision-making. Use case number 2 demonstrates improved methodologies for managing, capturing, and analyzing logistics data for sustainment budgeting. Use case number 3's goal is to identify by table of authorized material control number, national stock number, and serial number those items above approved acquisition objective and past their item exit date, to accurately determine their burdensome maintenance costs and attempt to provide valid, repeatable, defendable reports to leadership to improve operations and maintenance, trade space decision support information. Use case number 4 will focus on cutting-edge logistics modeling and simulation, commercial best practices to provide leadership with realistic course of action options for improved financial decision making. Use case number 5 will deal with improving the Marine Corps' ability to report accurate current and historical data into the Naval Center for Cost Analysis VAMOSC system. This use case is a critical future enabler as this reporting is mandated by Congress. And finally, use case number 6 demonstrates an EGM internal battle rhythm tool, which may ultimately become the cornerstone for managing all the EGM efforts while improving coordination and communication with all stakeholders to ensure appropriate decision-making vetting and transparency. In summary, the use cases will demonstrate how an organized enterprise analytical capability enabled by authoritative enterprise data in a logistics data warehouse with business intelligence tools can provide an accurate picture of asset posture, readiness, and cost, and greatly assist with the development of investment trade space options with a high degree of confidence for EGM decision makers.